I'm Kate, and this is Nathan.
Hi, I'm Nathan. When I first met you, you told me that you were diagnosed with bipolar disorder. Well, it didn't bother me. Obviously, you know, things have progressed quite a long way since then. And you've put up with me and all my disturbing habits. But you knew about them in advance because I told you about them. So I went into everything with my eyes open. They're a bit more open now because I've experienced it a bit more. But, you know, it's not put me off or anything. It's a bit of give and take.
But I wanted to get it out of the way early on because there's no point in kind of starting with something and then not talking about it until it's a problem.
There's nothing wrong with kind of explaining that, you know, you've got this condition. I mean, you know, lots of people have these things that go on with them.
Yeah, no one would think anything different of you if you, like, I don't know, if you had a broken leg. Sometimes my mind gets a bit sick. It doesn't.
You know, or diabetes or something like that.
Yeah,
you know, all these conditions are accepted in society, and I think that the stigma attached to mental illness is, well, it's not fair.
Once people understand, it can just really help you, and it's been a massive help, I think, in our relationship because there's that openness there, and if I'm concerned about my mood, then I can tell Nathan and he can help keep an eye on it as well for me. So if I say I think, you know, my mood's going too far up, then Nathan can give me his honest opinion, and that can be really, really valuable.
I think it's important for the people around you to be there for you and support you and also talk to you about how you feel.
You can't get there unless you actually start that conversation and open up and have that conversation.
Yeah, have a chat.